Hello guys! Good morning from Portugal. Hola, buen día. Mais un día de luta. Vamos jugar y ganar. Tenho novas raspadinhas. Chamada Dia das Bruxas. I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay? Today I have the new tickets. Halloween tickets. Bruxas. I hope I pronounce it right. Means witches. Day of the witches. Like me, I am a witch. Okay? I look like a witch every time I wake up in the morning. Cuando Acordo di mania. I look like a Bruxas. Ay, chica. Okay, tenho os números 20 a 25. 12 euro. This is sound. 12 euro session. Okay? Let's start. Vamos começar. What's the rules here? Raspe a área do jogo. Se ou mais dos sois números por igual. O mais dos números da brosa ganha a quantia ou a soma das quantias indicadas debaixo desses mesmos números. Okay, so matching number, in short. Where am I? Raspe a área do jogo número mágico. Número mágico, magic number in English. Se algum dos seus números por igual ao número mágico, ganha 10 vezes o prêmio indicado debaixo desses mesmo número. Okay, so it's good. Oh Lord, my husband is calling. I'm recording. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Let him let him wait. I don't like to edit videos. Okay, I hope we stop calling. Okay, so matching number obviously. And here is a win all. Let's scratch the win all. 36. I thought it's 36. Never stop calling. Oh Lord. What he wants? Ay, Jesus. Is it emergency or what? Okay, guys. But guys, I'm back. I have to answer or else he never stopped calling. Okay, so we're looking for 12, 38. I am using Scratching Mama dog tag. We're looking for 12 and 38. 12, 38. 13, 21, 30, 14, 24, 25, 32. Ay, 38. Much. 34, 26. 38, 36. So not much with the win all. 38, ¿cuánto? 5. Not bad. 5 is D. Letra D. Okay? Okay, so 5 euro is not bad. I only spent 12 euro. Okay? 38, 5. No win all. 20. Where's 21? 21. We're looking for 31, 32. 14, 39, 32, 27, 29, 36, 13, 30, 11, 34. So no matching number. So this is a win all. Okay, 12. No 12. Okay, so this is not winner. 21. Go to 22. We're looking for 39, 35. Oh Lord. 32. 19 in Portuguese números. 33. 14. 36. 21. 13. 16. 34. 15. No matching number. Win all. 28. No 28, of course. 22. Let's go to 23. We're looking for this size, this set. 36, 30, 28, 26, 14, 33. Far from reality. 22, 18, 38, 13, 39. Nada. Win all. 20, 26, 22, 28, and they put 24. Of course, not a winner. Let's go to ticket number 24. Give me at least one more win. One more win. We're looking for 27. This size. 39. 13. 25. 24 that I needed in the win all. 11. I found a match. 27. 38. 14. 30. 17. One match. 27. 4. 5. Nice. Letra D. D. Give me D. Okay, so D is €5. So I got €10. Nice. So I got €10. So I only need €2 to recover. Now, the win all. Of course, I don't win the win all because D is €5. 33. Of course, I don't find. Okay, so I get 10, which is good. Only need to get €2 to get back my money. We're looking for 31, 13. Backwards, okay? 37. 25. Not two different letters. More likely is not the winner. 28. 14. 36. 36. 27. 39. 12. 32. 11. No match. Win all. 30. No 30. So I only got how much I got? I got €10 out of €12 session. Gaste 12, ganye 10. Okay, not bad. Nada mau in Portuguese. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao. Hello guys. It's written here it's not win all. It's if we uncover the numero magico. Where is it? Raspearia de jugo numero magico es igual sus números por igual ao número mágico, ganha 10 vezes o prêmio indicado debaixo desse mesmo número. Oh Lord, I was in the hurry, guys. I didn't analyze the rules. The win all, guys, it's not a win all. If we uncover the same number, how much we could win times 10. Okay, 10 times the price you can win. Okay, it's not ganha 10 veces. Now win all. Okay, not win all. Okay, ciao.